Hello everyone, welcome back to the College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of downloading your West Bengal JEE 2026 result. Your rank card is one of the most important documents for admission and counseling, so it's essential to know how to access and save it correctly. West Bengal JEE 2026 is the state level entrance examination for admission to engineering, technology, pharmacy, and agriculture program across West Bengal. The examination was conducted on May 24, 2026 in offline OMR mode. The results are expected to be released in June 2026, while the counseling process is likely to begin in July or August. Once released, your rank card will serve as the key document for securing admission to your preferred college. Downloading your West Bengal JEE 2026 result is simple. First, visit the official WBJEE website. Next, click on the View or Download Rank Card link. Log in using your application number and password or date of birth along with the CAPTCHA code. Once authenticated, your rank card will appear on the screen. Download the PDF and print at least 2 or 3 copies for future counseling and admission requirements. After logging in successfully, your scorecard will be generated instantly. Carefully review all the details displayed on the rank card. This includes your subject-wise marks, total score, general merit rank or paper merit rank, also known as GMR or PMR. If you notice any incorrect information or discrepancies, contact the WBJEE board immediately to get the issue resolved before counseling begins. Your WBJEE rank card is mandatory throughout the counseling process. Without it, admission cannot proceed. After downloading your result, regularly check the official WBJEE website for counseling schedules, choice filling dates, seat allotment announcements, and reporting deadlines. Qualified candidates can participate in counseling for engineering, technology, and pharmacy programs offered by participating institutions. Here are a few important tips to avoid unnecessary problems. First, download your rank card as soon as the results are announced. Delaying may expose you to website slowdowns or heavy server traffic. Second, save the PDF immediately, as obtaining duplicate copies later may involve additional charges. Finally, keep both digital and printed copies safe until the entire admission process, including document verification and fee payment, is completed. Once the results are released, download your rank card from the official website, print multiple copies, and keep them secure. Then proceed with counseling registration and seat allotment activities. And for more such exam-related content, don't forget to subscribe to College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. Also, best of luck with your WBJEE 2026 admissions journey. Like this video, comment down below if you have any query, and for more such exam-related content, don't forget to subscribe to the College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. Thank you.